What's she say?
It'd be good.
Be good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who tells you that?
No, Grandma Susie, it'd be good.
Oh, Grandma Susie tells you to be good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be good.
Let's read it.
Okay.
Look at, hey, what'd you drop over there on the floor?
What's that?
No, over there, honey.
Huh?
Over there. What's that? What is that?
Babies.
A baby?
Yeah.
You want me to help you take her off?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell Grandma Susie thank you?
Huh?
Can you tell her thank you?
Yeah. Thank you, Grandma Susie. Thank you, Grandma Susie.
All right.